Hello guys, welcome to the Evolving Knowledge channel. Ready to learn? Today I will discuss the history of vaccines briefly. I already prepared a video about that, but in this one, I will highlight the key events that made it possible we have the technology we use today, to immunize people. Let's get started. A vaccine can confer active immunity against a specific harmful agent by stimulating the immune system to attack the agent. But do you know the history of vaccines? What were the key events to end up in the technology we use today? The main events in vaccines development are, the first mention of preventative inoculations in writing comes from the 16th century in China. In 1796, Edward Jenner introduced the first scientific method of vaccination. Smallpox vaccinations became mandatory in the UK in 1853. In 1885, French Louis Pasteur developed the first live virus vaccines against rabies. 1892 to 1898, the first virus was discovered. Between 1920 and 1926, it was developed tuberculosis, diphtheria, tetanus, whooping cough vaccines. In 1944 it was finalized the first vaccine against the flu. 1958 to 1960, the first combination vaccines were adopted, DTP, diphtheria, tetanus, whooping cough. The first genetically engineered vaccine, hepatitis B, was created in 1986. Creating a vaccine is not a cheap or straightforward process, as I explained in the video that you can see in the card above. For you have an idea, even now, there is a couple of vaccines that scientists are still looking for the final product that might work, as examples, against malaria, Zika virus, or HIV. The studies to obtain a vaccine against malaria started in 1880, the Zika virus in 1947, and HIV in 1983. I hope we get good news soon. Okay, guys, this is what I have. For now, thanks for your support on the Evolving Knowledge channel. We much appreciate your like, and if you want to be updated on what we are preparing next, subscribe to our channel and activate the notifications. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye.